Leah's helping me dig out the pond and fill up the drive. All right.
But it's so slow.
Slow gives you power to dig. Fast gives you like mower. So right about there, start dropping your bucket. Keep going. Keep going. Get contact. Move it forward. All right, give a little more gas. Put it in. Put it into the ground. Put it in the ground. Oh, nope, not that way. Oh, stop, stop. All right. No, if you do that, you'll bend my pistons, right? So you can't do that. But you can a little bit of an angle, so you want it down more. Right, and that's too much. Your front wheels are off the ground. Right now it's in four-wheel drive, but you'll slowly cut in and then you'll scoop out, right? If you take the bucket all the way, that'll bend those pistons and all. Big repair.
Do I put it back or forward when I'm lifting it?
Well, just cut it all the way in and then I'll help you get it out. All right, now slowly lift it up or the bucket up, one or the other. Curl the bucket up a little bit too. There you go. Now curl the bucket up. That's why you're not breaking free.
Okay.
See, your bucket's at an angle. So curl your bucket up.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
There, see? Now it broke free.
Oh, gotcha.
So you want to back up, take another stab at that. That's not very much dirt. Uno poquito.
Put it back down or back up?
You go ahead, drop that off, and then you'll get used to it.
The reverse?
Yep. Now, if you want to go faster, you would reverse and put it in third. Yeah, take it over there where that one dirt clod is. That'll be the safest. You go, Poncho girl. You want to put it in third, you can. And you can give it more gas. There you go. The gas pedal's on the ground or on the column. You got two choices. You got this one or you got that one.
Oh, that's why I was missing it.
Yeah. Ah! Oh. Yeah, take it all the way over there and drop it off. You got to curl it under and dump it that way and raise it up. So curl it under while you're raising it up at the same time. Yeah. All right, go get me 50 more of those. Well, that was good for your first time ever digging. That's more than you could shovel out in a day. Yeah, it always looks easier than when you do it yourself. Everything in life. There's, I look for them too, though, to be honest. My helper help. So come at this one again, and the secret is as the bucket goes in and you get a scoop that you come up. So you're scooping up at the same time. I'm always messing with the stick.
That level?
Yeah. And then you'll lower it down, and you might need to turn the blade in a little bit. That's up. Curl it down a little bit. Right. And then you scoop it up, and then you know, yeah, you'll have to make contact, but you're on the right idea. Never apologize. You're a construction person now. You should be full of way more swear words than I'm sorry's. All right, put your bucket down, get some dirt. Put your bucket down more, get more dirt. There you go. Keep going. There you are. Keep going. All right, now start curling it up. While you're doing that, keep moving forward and curl. Too late. The energy's broken. There you go. Drop it where you want it. That's a lot of dirt. You did good. Whoo! Look at that. That's twice the dirt you got the first time. How do you feel, dirt girl?
Good.
You've been powered? Yeah. Oh, I'm getting out of the way. There you go. I did. Here I said I should clone myself. I got myself a little clone. I'm not so sure I like this cowboy hat. It's a silly cowboy hat. Look at it. All hat, no brains. That's what this is. But look at Leah go. A lesson on the tractor, and here she is digging dirt. So we already drove over this. My daughter did last night with her ATV and her Ford. Now I'll teach you a secret nobody knows about tractors except a few people. Pull it up straight, and I'll teach you to drop the bucket and back drag. So just pull it up straight, and you're going to back all the way through. All right, perfect. Stop right here. All right, put your blade down all the way. All right, now there's a secret valve in these things. If you go forward enough, the blade's gotta be level. But if you go forward enough, did you hear that brake? All right, push it forward a little bit and then push it harder. See how it did that? It went clunk. That floats the blade over the top of the soil, and that's how people make it smooth. So if you don't do that, you'll never get it smooth. So now your job is to put it in reverse and back all the way over the thing and spread all that even. Go straight back, straight back. There you go. I put you in the middle so you'll be safe, all right? Just keep going. You are, well, you know, tractors aren't about speed, they're about power. Oh, yes, he paved the road that he tore up. You are so right. Look how flat and smooth you're making that. And just go all the way to the top of the hill. Then drive back and do it again. Don't go by the edges. I'll do the edges. All right, raise your bucket a little at a time. Underneath it, all the dirt's built up, right? So if you go way up, no, not that far up, like this, and then you back up and you scooch the dirt out from under it, and you release the dirt. So now do that. Back up and scooch. You got to be raising the bucket and backing up at the same time so that the dirt will trickle out under it. So, all right. Yep, back up and raise the bucket slowly. That's not raising. There you go. That's too much. Down. There you are. Keep going. You see my back dragging? There ain't no clumps. Your back dragging?
That's the soil's
Big.
fault.
Okay, well, there was one here. I did the...
That's the soil's fault.
All right, well, go all the way back and do it again down the middle. If you're feeling brave, you can do it at the edge if you want.
Nope.
All right, we'll do it again on this side of the middle.
Drive like this, drive over it.
Yeah, drive it, packs it down. So you drive over the big clumps to break them up, you know.